Today, I'm going to talk to you about proper nutrition, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite breakfast recipes. What's up, everybody? It's Coach Sam from District Coaching Concepts, and today I'm going to do a few things. One is I'm going to share with you one of my favorite breakfast recipes, and next I'm going to talk to you about proper nutrition and what I get asked a lot, which is what kind of diet am I on? I get that question asked a lot. A lot of us coaches get that question asked a lot, but I always say I'm not really on a diet. Unless I'm getting ready for something specific like a show or some type of event, I don't really go on a very specific plan, but I do track my macros. It is important to me to stay within, a certain range, and it's a lifestyle for me more so than it is a diet. And I've always been like that. I've never been that person who's gonna be on a diet, 12 weeks, 24 weeks out of the year. It's pretty much if I'm getting ready for something, I'm on the diet for that period of time. And then the rest of the time, I'm just tracking my macros, making it a lifestyle, eating more bro foods, whole foods. I try to stay away from processed things. Nutrition is very, very important. 80% of whatever goal you're trying to achieve, whether that be weight loss, weight gain, maintenance, is going to be directly correlated with nutrition and what you're putting into your body. You spend about 3 to 4 hours of your day prepping your food, eating your food, digesting your food, and this can be up to 1/6 of your day. You're only spending 1 hour out of a 24-hour day in your gym. So that's about 1/24. Just those fractions alone should tell you what's more important and what you should focus more on. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you one of the trickiest things and the hardest meals to get, the different sources of protein in is breakfast. I always get the question, which is, I'm sick and tired of eating egg whites. I'm sick and tired of eating eggs for breakfast. What can I do to, change the protein that I'm eating at breakfast? I don't want to eat eggs every day. So this is one of my favorite recipes. It's for 99.1 turkey sausage, and it is absolutely my favorite recipe. You can make these into little patties. You can freeze them. You can put them in the fridge for a couple days. You can make them ahead of time, a lot of different things, but stick around. I'm going to show you how to make this entire recipe right now. First thing you'll need for this recipe is 99.1 ground turkey. So next you'll need dry ingredients, which are garlic, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Mix all your dry ingredients with the turkey. Next, you're gonna use sugar-free syrup and some sort of liquid amino, soy sauce flavor. So once you have all these ingredients in here, you're gonna mix all this up and you're gonna form these into little patties, which you'll put in the freezer or the fridge, depending on how quick you wanna use them. So once you've got it all mixed up, and you can turn it into these little balls and you can mash it into a little patty, real easy. Put a little bit of water on your hands because it'll stick if you don't. There's not a lot of fat in 99.1 turkey, obviously, so nice little patty like that. Lay it down, make another one. So once you've made them into little patties, you can put them on a little wax paper. Just gonna throw them in the freezer or the fridge. Wait for them to kind of harden up a little bit before you cook them because they'll get real brittle. So it's been about like 30, 35 minutes. Take them out of here. Check them, they're a little bit hard, cool. And then just gonna take a pan. It can be a flat pan, it can be a regular pan, and you're just gonna fry them up with some olive oil spray. Just using a regular pan olive oil spray. It can be fancy if you want. You can get the nice fancy ones. This one's just fine for me. When you're done, you have some nice sausage patties like these. You can put them in the refrigerator. You can freeze them for later. You can eat them right now like I'm about to do. So lots of things that you can do with this. I'm actually about to show you what I really like to do with these. So this is the breakfast sandwich. Turkey sausage, 99.1, 1 whole egg, 1 English muffin.